Dear 10th class students, today I am explaining you very important and scoring chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. See, this chapter you can learn good marks just by watching this 30 minutes video. This chapter has only 7 models of questions. If you learn these 7 models, you will get full marks. Just listen carefully. Model 1, checking consistent or inconsistent, consistent or not. He will give two pair of lines like a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Your job is just write a1 value, b1 value, c1 value, a2 value, b2 value, c2 value. After writing these values, find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 values. Find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 values. If all are equal, that equation has infinite solutions and consistent. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then they are parallel, they don't have solutions. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then they have only one solution, they are intersecting and consistent. I'll give you example. See the example. X plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 3. Write the values. X coefficient here it is 1, nothing is there means 1. Y coefficient also nothing is there, therefore 1. Therefore, values right here which is not there, 1 simply. A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to minus 10. Same way, A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to minus 1, C2 is equal to minus 3. Now check A1 by A2 value how much, B1 by B2 value how much. See A1 by A2 how much, 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 only. B1 by B2, B1 is 1, B2 is minus 1, therefore answer is minus 1. C1 by C2, C1 by C2 is, C1 is minus 10, C2 is minus 3, cancel 10 by 3. See they are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, this has only one solution. This has one solution. Therefore, lines are intersecting. What we can say? Intersecting means one solution. Or you can say consistent. These equations are consistent. One solution or infinite solutions, main consistent. Now here one solution. How you know one solution or intersecting? Just by seeing A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Now see the example 2. This equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 20, 6x minus 10y is equal to minus 40. In this example also, write A1, B1 all values. A1 is 3, B1 is minus 5, C1 is minus 10. A2 is 6, B2 is minus 10, C2 is minus 40. Now write the values. A1 by A2, how much? 3 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2. B1 by B2, how much? Minus 5 by minus 10. How much? 1 by 2 only. C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is minus 10 by minus 40. How much? 1 by 4. Now these two are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by minus 20, not 10. Therefore, this will be minus 1 by 2. Now, A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, these two are equal. C1 by C2 not equal. Therefore, lines are parallel. That means they are parallel lines. We can say no solution. We can say no solution. And inconsistent. This case is inconsistent. Okay. See example 3. 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to minus 5. C1 is equal to minus 20. A2 is equal to 6. B2 is equal to minus 40. C2 is equal to B2 is minus 10. Sorry. C2 is equal to minus 40. Now check A1 by A2 value. How much? 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 value minus 5 by minus 10, which is also 1 by 2. C1 by C2 value minus 20 by minus 40, which is also 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All are equal came. Therefore, we can say equations are consistent and have infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. In graph, the lines are coincide. That means falling one line or other line only. Both the lines represent same. That is why first line is this only. Second line also falls on this only. That is called coincide. That is called coincide lines. Understand? Now model 2, see, he gives lines are parallel or coincide. He gives parallel or coincide. The lines are parallel or the lines are coincide. Like that he gives. What he is asking is find missing k value. Somewhere k is present in the equations, either first or second. Example say, this is the x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 3x plus ky plus 10 is equal to 0. Out of these lines, write a1 value 1, b1 value 1, c1 value minus 6, a2 value 3, b2 value k, c2 value 10. Now he'll give question is lines are parallel or coincide. If suppose lines are parallel, example, suppose lines are parallel, he gave, what we should write? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 must write. A1 value write 1, A2 value 3, B1 value 1, B2 value k. Cross multiply 1 into k, 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. k is equal to 3. Now model 3, solving equations by elimination method. Solving equation by elimination method. Elimination means removing one variable. To remove either x or y, we must be equate the coefficients equal. See x coefficient here plus 1, x coefficient here plus 2. They are not equal. Here y coefficient is 3, y coefficient is minus 3. They are equal and opposite signs. Therefore, by adding this equation, 1x plus 2x is 3x, 3y minus 3y is 0y, cancel, is equal to 6 plus 12, 18. Therefore, 3x is equal to 18, x is equal to 6. Substitute this x value in any one of these two equations. There are two equations, it is your choice. I am substituting in first. 1x plus 3y is equal to 6. Substituting this x value in this, 6 plus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, 3y is equal to, send that side, 6 minus 6, 0. Therefore, y value 0. Therefore, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0 is the solution of these two equations. To solve equations, we can do by substitution method also. Previously it is elimination method, now it is substitution method. Substitution means remove one variable and substitute in the second equation. See, from equation 1, say, take x left side only, send y this side, it becomes 6 minus 3y. X is equal to 6 minus 3y. Substitute this x value in place of x in the second equation. Then it becomes 2 into 6 minus 3y minus 3y is equal to 12. Multiply this 2 into 6, 12. 2 into minus 3y minus 6y minus 3y is equal to 12. 12 cancel. Therefore, minus 9y is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0. Substitute this value here. X is equal to 6 minus 3 into 0. 6 minus 0, that is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0 is the solution of this equation. What we did previous elimination method and this substitution method, difference is in elimination both are writing here and cancelling there only. Now in the substitution we are bringing x value in terms of y and substituting in second equation, then also becoming equation in y or single variable. That means also removing one variable only. Understand? Now solving equations by cross multiplication method. See, this problem many students in many schools, they are doing so much complicated. I don't know why. It is very simple, children. See here, just you can write x value formula and y value formula. Just by heart it, enough. Just normal problems like only a1 value, b1 value, c1 value find, a2 value, b2 value, c2 value find. Then x and y formulas you have directly by heart them and just solve it, enough. See here this problem, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 6, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 12. Now x formula you can remember, easy technique. See here, BC minus BC by AB minus AB. Very simple. See. After writing BC minus BC, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. While calculations, very careful, this is very danger method. Most of the students will do calculation mistakes. Okay, see here, while writing brackets keep A1 B1 is 3 bracket right, C2 minus 12, like this keep, otherwise it goes wrong in calculation. This minus is minus only. B2 how much? Minus 3, and C1 how much? Minus 6. That is why I told you write brackets in multiplication. By A1 1 only, B2 minus 3, minus minus only, A2 2, B1 3. Simplify. 3 into minus 12 minus 36. All 3 minus minus minus, it become minus only. Then 3 into 6 18 by 1 into minus 3 minus 3, minus minus only, 2 into 3 6. Now simplify. Minus 36 minus 18, it becomes minus 54. Minus 3 minus 6, it becomes minus 9. Cancel, you will get 6. X value 6. If you get x value, then substitute in this, you will get y value simply. X is 6 means substitute in the first equation. See, x plus 3y is equal to 6. Send this minus 6 this side. X is 6. 6 plus 3y is equal to 6. Then 3y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Therefore, solutions x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0 is the solution. Okay. By formula enough. Y value by substitution you will get. Now, model 4, solving graphically. Solving equations graphically. Example, say same equations I am writing. X plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. But the method is changing. Graphically solve. For graphically solving, you must write points for each equation. First equation points must write. Second equation points must write. For first equation, take points x, y. Main points, x is 0, 1 point take. Y is 0, another point take. Very important. X 0, 1 point. Y 0, 1 point take. First, x 0, first equation. How much? Now, if x is 0, this becomes 0, then 3y is equal to 6. 3y 6 means y value 2. Same way, y 0 means this block will be absent. Then directly x is equal to 6. Therefore, y 0, x is equal to 6. Other points you can prepare or not, your wish. Main 2 points must prepare. See, for the second equation also, take points x, y. If x is 0, this is block, then minus 3y is equal to 12. That means y is equal to minus 4. If y 0, that means this is absent. 2x is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 6. Now see, by seeing these points 6 0 6 0 both place present, that is the solution that you can see from graph also. See the graph. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0 comma 2, it is on x-axis. 6 comma 0, 0 comma 2 is on y-axis. Sorry, 6 comma 0 is on x-axis. Join this with the scale, you will get a straight line. Now 0 comma minus 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the minus 4, point is 0 comma minus 4. 6 comma 0 is same. If you draw this line joining these two, another straight line, both will meet here at 6 comma 0. Therefore solution is 6 comma 0. That means x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Very simple. Make the tables with points, then go on, substitute on the graph. Mark on the graph where they are meeting, that is the solution. That is the solution by graphical method. Okay. Now model 5, special equations. Solve this special type of equations by adding or subtracting. This type of equation, first we must do adding and subtracting, then we can solve. See here, 35x 23y is equal to 209. This 23 is here, 23x plus 35y is equal to 197. A1 is equal to B2, B1 is equal to A2. Such case we will use this method. First add. If you add, what you will get? 35 plus 23, 58x, 58y is equal to, add these two, 406. Okay. Now another time subtract. 35x plus 23y is equal to 209. 23x 35y is equal to 197. If you subtract, these variables will change, signs will change. This become minus, this become minus, this become minus. Now 35x minus 23x, how much? It is 12x. 23y minus 35 minus 12y is equal to 209 minus 197, it is 12. Then 12 we can cancel, 12 ones are 12 ones are 12 ones are. We can write this as x minus y is equal to 1. Now two new equations coming. 58x plus 58y is equal to 406. X minus y is equal to 1. Now solve these two equations by any method, your choice. Now I am using elimination method. This is 58x, this is only 1x. This equation multiply by 58. What you will get? 58x minus 58y is equal to 1. Same thing right here. 58x minus 58y is equal to 1. What you are observing is, okay, see, sign change required, not required here because plus 58y is there, minus 58y is there. You can cancel easily. Now add this to 50, 50, 100, 8, 8, 16, 116x is equal to, add this to 458, 458 plus 6, 464. Therefore x is equal to 464 by 116. How much you will get? 116 4 times. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This x is equal to 4, you can substitute in this small equation, you will get y. See, x minus y is equal to 1. Then 4 minus y is equal to 1. Y send this side, 1 this side. 4 minus 1 is equal to y. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 is the solution. Special case, this a1, b2, a2, b1 equal, then only we can use this method. We can use this method. Okay. Model 6. Okay. Change of variable type. Change of variable type. Okay. Means here in this type of problems, we need change of variable. See example, this question, see 100 by x plus y plus 30 by x minus y is equal to 6. 75 by x plus y plus 75 by x minus y is equal to 8. Now there is a resemblance in both the equations by x plus y by x plus y. Therefore, take 1 by x plus y is equal to p, and in this also 1 by x minus y is equal to q. Rewrite the equations. What you will get? 100 into 1 by x plus y means it is 100p. 30 into 1 by x minus y is 30q is equal to, as it is, 6. Second one, 75p plus 75q is equal to 8. Now solve these two equations by elimination method. This is 30, this is 75. This equation into 5 take, this equation into 2, then y variable becomes equal. What they become, see here, 100 into 5, 500p, 5 into 30, 150q, 6 into 5, 30. Now this also 2 into 75, 150p, 150q is equal to 2 into 8, 16. See sign. Now sign change required, take minus. This q can be cancelled. Plus 150q minus 150q. 500p minus 150p, 350p, 30 minus 16, it is 14. Therefore, p is equal to, send that side, 14 by 350. You can cancel 7 2s are, 7 5s are. Therefore, it is 2 by 50, that is equal to 1 by 25. Now you can substitute this p value in this, anyone, you can get q also. I am writing here 150, second equation. 150 into 1 by 25 plus 150q is equal to 16. Cancel 25 ones are, 25 6 are. Send that side, 150q as it is, 6 goes that side, it becomes 16 minus 6, which is equal to 10. 150q is equal to 10. Therefore, q is equal to 0, 0 cancel, 1 by 15. Now you have value, p is 1 by 25, q is 1 by 15. In terms of p and q, you got the values. Now we need x and y. We need x and y. Substitute in the equations. 1 by x plus y is equal to how much? 1 by 25. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 15. Now cross multiply this. X plus y is equal to 25 will get. This cross multiply, x minus y is equal to 15. solve this by elimination, cancel y, you'll get 2x is equal to 40, x is equal to 20. Substitute this value in any of these two. X plus y is equal to 25, 20 plus y is equal to 25, that means y is equal to 5. Therefore, both x and y values came. Therefore, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 5 is the solution of these equations. First, change the variables into p and q equations, solve, get pq values, and come back to again xy equations, solve xy equations. Then only you will get the answer. There are two steps in this. First, change the variables, get pq, then come back with pq and values, substitute and get xy. Okay. Now the important part, model 7, is word problems. See, many students feeling tough this word problems only. It is very easy. I'll explain you 2 or 3 models. Same way, first convert the statements into equation. Convert the statements into equation. Then solve, it is your choice. I told you 3 methods. Elimination, substitution, cross multiplication. Mostly prefer elimination. If not possible, then go for other 2 methods. Okay, mostly prefer elimination method. Now converting is important. See, I'll give you example. One age problems. Age related problems. 10 years ago, a father is 12 times his son. 10 years later, father is twice his son, age of his son. Now find fathers and sons present ages. Which is asking in the question, that is take as x in the solution. Answer, assume father present age, father's present age as x, son's present age as y. 2 variables, because the equations are in 2 variables. Now 10 years ago, write their ages. 10 years ago, father's age. 10 years ago, now it is x means it is x minus 10. Son's age 10 years ago, it is just y minus 10. Second statement. 10 years later, now one second, we don't use the second statement. First statement, first prepare an equation. See, 12 times his son, that means this is equal to 12 times this. See carefully, this equation is equal to 12 times this. That means x minus 10 is equal to 12 times y minus 10. Open this bracket. X minus 10 is equal to 12y minus 12 into 10, 120. X minus 10 is equal to 12y minus 120. Bring this equation, simplify, you will get x minus 12y is equal to, send this side, it become minus 110. This is equation 1, prepared. Now 10 years later, 10 years later, father age x plus 10, son's age is y plus 10. Now use the statement. After writing their ages, then only use the statement. Twice means 2 times. Therefore, x plus 10 is equal to 2 times y plus 10. X plus 10 is equal to, multiply 2y plus 20. Bring all one side, equation it becomes x minus 2y is equal to, send 10 this side, it becomes 10. This is nicely equation 2. Now you got both the equation 1, equation 2. Therefore, solve these two equations. You will get x and y. Solving in problem, he will not mention any method. It is your choice. Solve by any method, get x and y, and write the final answer as x means father age this much years and y is son says this much years. Now, you enjoyed this lesson pair of linear equations. These 7 models important. Okay, carefully learn, get full marks. Other problems similar to this only. For more videos, please subscribe this Bhishma Academy. Don't forget, please subscribe Bhishma Academy. Okay, thank you.